Hello Art Clubbers, are you feeling almost Christmassy? Because it's time to make our advent calendars. Here's two very special ones that I kept from last year. Well, I bought these in the shop, but you get the idea. It's Christmassy, snow, people having fun, tinsel on my head. So I'm just going to give you a little tiny bit of advice for when you come and pick up your packs tomorrow. You're going to have an inside like this, and you're going to draw the tiny pictures in there, inside the square please. And it's got to be this way round. The little arrow pointing upwards means that they have to be this way up, okay? And I'm also going to give you a nice big sheet of thicker paper, and this is what you have to do your drawing on. I'm afraid it has to be landscape. Remember that word, landscape, because that's how I did the template. And then you need to bring them back, the outside picture done, the inside picture's done, your name written on both parts, on the back obviously so you don't ruin the picture, and I'll put them together, write the numbers on, and do the little bit of cutting out, and then you can collect them before the start of Advent, which is, yes, the 1st of December. So, if you're feeling almost Christmassy, get ready to make your Advent calendar.